Washing catfish can be tricky and icky. Well, I had to make this catfish for a meeting and decided to show you how to tackle this much catfish. Look at how big this head of catfish was. It was slipping off my hand. Anyways, I'm here to make it easier for you. Come along. First thing you need to know is that catfish can be really slimy. Now you can get off the slime with lime, you can get it off with I think baking soda. I'm not sure, I haven't tried that, but I always use hot water because it's just really easy for me. So we took out this part of the fish. I don't know what it's called. We took it out, cooked it for our dog, and I think he enjoyed it. So the first thing I did was to put in salt into this. I just mixed it together and I put in hot water. So this hot water is not like water that boiled. This is the type of water you can bathe with, or certain people can bathe with that kind of hot water, but it's still something you can put your hand into. So this hot water now helps me bring up the slime on the body of the fish, and I just use the knife to scrape and scrape and scrape. This is a lot of work. My back ached, but it's the easier method than using lime. So using a knife, I just kept on scraping it because the hot water kind of helped it lift, like I could see it. So I just had to keep scraping it and taking it out. And as I was washing them and taking them out, I was putting it in a pot of water filled with room temperature water. So you have to make sure you scrape every part of the fish, the fin, what's that long part called? I don't know. So I just kept on with it until I was done. Please, you have to know that not all the slime goes off. So I rinsed them off, put it back into the big pan, and I put in hot water that actually boiled. And because one's hand can't go into this, I used a ladle to kind of stir it so that the water can touch all parts of the fish. So this very hot water helps bring up the slime on the fish, and it's just something I can pull off with my hand or rinse off. So using the ladle, I pick them up, I put them in room temperature water, and afterwards I just rinse them off with my hands. The remaining slime on them are just things you can actually take off with your hands. So I rinsed everything again, and then I packaged them into the freezer because I was going to cook it the next day. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.